What's the meaning of bully pulpit? Bully pulpit. Bully pulpit.
Bully pulpit. Bully pulpit. The term bully pulpit was coined by U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt and refers to the power and influence of the presidency as a platform to persuade and influence public opinion. In simpler terms, it means using one's position of power to effectively communicate and push for change. The result of having a bully pulpit is that it gives the president a unique advantage in shaping public discourse and setting the agenda for the country. It also allows for direct communication with the American people, which can be used to build support for policies and initiatives. Overall, having a bully pulpit allows the president to enact greater change and wield more influence over the political landscape.